All right, bro. All right, so Sensei, let's you share your screen and let's talk about
Yeah,
this Solana staking.
got you. Yeah, so at first I was staking with um on Coinbase, so that's why I have to wait for it to be unstaked right now. But
Oh, so all
it's
your money's still stuck.
yeah, still stuck at the moment.
Okay, so that's cool too. So two lessons right here. All right. One, we don't want to stake with Coinbase or any type of centralized exchange or centralized entity because they're going to charge us. They're playing the middleman because they're giving us the opportunity to even stake. They're going to always charge you some kind of fee or interest, right? Just like
Mm-hmm.
we're trying to start doing. All right. So that's why you never want to stake with a centralized entity because it's your asset. You shouldn't be paying no tax on your own shit. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't be getting taxed on working a job. I worked
Right.
hard for these 8 hours. How you gonna tax me on my time? That's what's crazy, bro. But let me take this moment. Taxes is the craziest scam ever, bro. They're not taxing me on something I bought. If I buy something like goods at a store or something, that tax makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Cool, bro. Because you're taxing me on a product or an item or the price. How you gonna tax me on the hours I put in at work? That's taxing me for my time. That's
Yeah.
crazy, bro. Anyways,
Yeah.
all right. So, um, we don't want to stake
Can you see
with
my
a.
screen?
We don't want to stake with a. Yeah, I can see you. Perfect. We don't
Okay.
want to stake with a centralized entity because they're gonna tax us or charge us some kind of fee for the convenience. And then number two, um, you don't want to just regular stake. Sometimes you have to regular stake because everybody don't have liquid staking yet. But if there's an option to liquid stake, you always want to choose that because native staking means your money is native. It can't leave the city. You know what I'm saying? The money stays right here and native to this home or this location. You can't leave and do nothing else with it. Liquid staking allows the money to flow. So you're staking it and earning that APR, but
Mm-hmm.
you also can take the money that the new staked coin, which is in this situation we're about to talk about PSOL, which stands for Phantom Staked Soul, or Soul, which stands for Jito Staked Soul. All right. Um, Either way, both liquid options allow you to stake and earn the APR for in with that coin, but then you can also take that coin and go do something with it. You can go put it into a liquidity pool. You can go lend it. You can do other things with it. So that's what we
I
about to
saw
do.
that I can do a perp now or something like that with on Phantom.
Perps is trading. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can trade on, but don't worry about perps yet. I mean, it's the same as futures, but you already started with Trader Vape, so stick with that.
Okay.
Different
But
platforms,
yeah,
same process. So choose how much soul you like to stake. You got any spare soul or any money you could just use for
you
this
already have some already in there already. But
liquid?
I was just wanted to make I wanted to make sure
Oh,
because
okay.
I was just wanting
All
to
right,
try it
bet.
out first.
So
So
perfect. Now you cool. So you already done staked it. So now you're earning what
mhm.
7%, 7.7% APR. Is that right?
Yes. Oh, let me go back. Guess I have to go here and so yeah.
7.7 Phantom stake. So nice. All right, nice. So now what we gonna do? That process, he would just come through the Phantom wallet, deposit his Solana into this staking feature, and then submit it. Once it's deposited, he starts to earn 7.7%, and in return, they give him, instead of just locking up his money and he can't do nothing with it, they give him in exchange. It's kind of like an IOU, bro. Actually, damn, money history repeats itself. It just looks different. This is equivalent to back then when they first created banks and banks were taking people's gold and giving people pieces of paper that was like an IOU. And so this is how cash was born.
Mm-hmm.
But basically, you would come back with your piece of your IOU paper and you would give it to the bank, and the bank reads it as the IOU, however much weight of gold that says on this paper, and then they
Mm-hmm.
return your gold to you, and then you can go off with your gold, and again just repeat the process, right? We're that same thing is what we're actually doing right here. You're giving them your Solana, and they're saying, I owe you this Solana back by giving you Piso. And now
Gotcha.
you can actually go do something with this IOU. You can go use this Piso to earn another stream of income. So that's what we're finna go do. Let's shoot. Let's figure out where it might be. My first, oh, go coin market cap. You already know. This is the process of figuring out what You can do it any coin where you can buy any coin. Where you can buy any coin, all the info on coins, and from general to some more specific stuff. This is probably the website, or yeah, it's probably one of the crypto websites I go to the most because you just need it for everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna search Piso. He was about to go to regular Solana, but we're not dealing with regular Solana anymore. This is Piso. It should be on here. So there's Jupiter Stake. So maybe I type it out. Type Phantom Stake So or something. Maybe because it's so new. Okay, it's not popping up. Type erase stake and just type SOL. So Phantom SOL. Alright, it's not popping up. Alright, so let's do this then. Open up real quick. We're going to just kind of skip a step. And if it works, I'll go back. New tab. Open up Radium. RAYDIUM. It's like, I think it's still the number one DEX. Or maybe not. I think it might be Jupiter now. RAY.
RAY. Oh.
Yeah, and then, yep.
The UM or IM?
IUM.
IUM.
There you go. Everything in crypto is always .io. So if you type in a crypto or anything, type IO or type protocol. IO stands for input output. All right, that's code talk, programming talk. All right, so go to let's just swap. See if we can find it in this DEX. So type Piso. Phantom Stake. So okay, so does that look like the symbol? Is that it? I don't know what the actual symbol for it look like.
I see this one, but I don't know.
It ain't got that ain't no real symbol, is it?
Yeah, it's not. At least I don't.
Go to liquidity. Go to liquidity. Yeah, up there. Just type in SOL. Search all. Yeah, keep scrolling. Looking for Piso. Okay, so I see Jito, so Piso. That might be it. Can you find another one? Just check to see if it's any more, but that might be the one. It got 1 million. Nah, hold on. Matter of fact, that was it.
Oh, was that it?
That was it.
Yeah, I see this one again that we
click that one too. Let's try that one too. So this is how we verify between. So we confuse like which one do we really trust. How you do it is you trust where other people got their money. If a lot of people put their money somewhere, then it might have some credibility. A lot of us got money in the banks. That's the only reason we would. If we couldn't trust the bank, nobody would have their money in it. All right. So you see the liquidity column.
Mm-hmm.
How much it say?
14,500.
All right, cool. Is that a lot of money? When it comes to
No.
That's not a lot of money, bro. One person might have 14,000. All right.
Right.
That lets you know this is probably a scam coin. There might be one person who created this coin, or maybe a couple friends who created this coin, and then they deposited liquidity themselves, and they're hoping that they can catch some new people. You know what I'm saying? Some rookies, and scam them, get them to buy their coin, and then they'll just they sell it and go to zero. So the other one is the one, but you're gonna look at the liquidity on that one too, so you can be sure.
Yeah.
What's the liquidity on this one?
1 million. What is it? Yeah, 1 million.
Yeah, 1.4 mil. All right, that's the liquidity on this one, and it's not. And this the main thing. It's not one coin, one pool. It's multiple pools. 35, 12. Them pools got smaller liquidities because people don't even know what them other coins is. But the one that should have the highest liquidity, which is the one that makes people get Piso the most. And people are mostly swapping from regular Solana to Piso Solana because they're staking. $1.4 million, I can trust this pool. So this is the one. All right, so that's what we were trying to figure out the whole time, really, is where do we go to put this Piso to work? And here's our option, this liquidity pool. deposit. All right. So quick lesson on liquidity pool. I ain't gonna go all the way because you need to sign up for crypto class to get this game. You know what I'm saying? But this is the thing. Here's a liquidity pool. And I'm gonna just say it while we're on this screen. He's connecting his Phantom wallet, so the DEX has access to his funds, and he has access to the DEX's opportunities, liquidity pool opportunity. All right, so to deposit into the pool, he needs both coins, P Solana and Solana. He needs the equivalent amount in both, and then he can deposit into it. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. He got like what 24 piece hold or something like that. Do it even recognize your piece hold? Say you got 0. Refresh it.
Guess this isn't the right one.
Oh boy, you better go check and see what piece hold you. No, I mean you got the real one because you staked it, but
yeah,
that's the actual symbol though. It's a Solana, but it's a Solana sign, but it's blue.
But that was the one that we looked at had the 14 that didn't look.
No, it look more like the symbol you on right now. Zoom into it. No, go back to the one. Just hit back because that's you was already on the page.
Oh, yeah, I went back all the way.
Zoom in. Just zoom in right now to the symbols. Look at the emblems.
Yeah.
Just zoom in right there on both emblems. No, man, you're moving too quick.
Oh, my bad.
Oh no, I see what you saying.
Like that one has.
That do look just like the one. All right, go click that pool real quick. Go deposit. Go deposit. Let's see if it registers your piece hold. That's the one.
I'm connected.
Why it ain't got no money? So normally that's not a thing. That's cool. So normally that's not a thing.
Oh, I didn't.
But yeah, there you go. So now you see what you gotta do to deposit into the pool. You need equivalent amount of each.
Efficient, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, so you can deposit here, and he'll be earning where the APR at. Estimated APR 2.6. That's yep. Scroll. Can you scroll down, or that's it? Yeah. Okay. So that's basically it's APY because it says estimated APR. APR is constant, but this estimated because it's an APY for a yield, and so it's showing you it fluctuates depending on the volume of Solana. So over the past 24 hours, it was 2.6% of the amount you're earning on fees. Go to 7 days. It was 3.46 in the past 7 days, and then go to the 30 for the month. And over the course of the month, it's been 3.45. So that's your best average right there. So yeah, so he's earning 7.7% by staking Solana, and just by having the coin named PSOL, he's making 7.7% as long as he possesses that PSOL coin. Then he's gonna put his PSOL coin into a liquidity pool with regular Solana as well, and he's gonna earn an extra 3.45% on average. So now that's a total of 10.15% APR off of Solana, basically Solana. So the stream of income, if Solana goes up in value, that's one stream of income. He's making another stream of income by staking Solana, that's 2. Number 3, he's making a third stream of income by depositing into this liquidity pool. And he also has a job. So that's 4 streams of income. Boy, really, you know what I'm saying, taught different to that boy. You see the look, you see the logo, you see them ain't no regular teeth. What look like that in real life? Nah, this was cool though. But yeah, so that's what you're gonna do, bro. Yeah. Any questions?
Yes.
Anybody?
So wait for it to... I was saying I have to wait for it to be unstaked on Coinbase because I think it takes like 5 days. So
right. But you could put this money to work right now that you got. You know what I'm saying? You understand? Or Yeah, or you can just buy something, but basically you just gotta have the equivalent amount in pesos. So you can either take your pesos, split it in half,
Hmm.
or you can just wait to go buy some more Solana, and then match
Right.
the peso amount.
Okay.
All right, smooth.
Cool.
In my opinion, if I can get some money, if you want to get it, if you can get it, you get a job and they be like, so when can you start? You be like, nigga, right now. I'll start working right now. That's how I see your money. Like, you got some Solana. Yeah, when you gonna put it to work?
Right.
All right, so I ain't waiting for nothing. But yeah, anybody else got any questions? Anything? Y'all smooth with that? If so, you know what I'm saying. That should have been. Hope that mean it was too easy. You know what I'm saying? It was really too easy. So if no questions, bro, appreciate y'all time. This was a good session, good trap phone session. I'll see y'all again Monday, 12 to 1. Spread the word. Everybody, anybody you know, bro, the clock is ticking. We finna hit that alarm finna go off, and it's gonna be too late. All right, so anybody you love, care about, or just anybody you freaking meet, don't even know, bro, let them know. I'm teaching people about crypto. I'm teaching people about trading. I can make people make money forever. All right, so let them know. Spread the information. Spread the word. I appreciate it.
Sure. All right, man. Peace. This is great.
All right, y'all. See y'all boys Monday.